I miss it too. We were at Pop Century Resort the other day, and they had a cast member pumpkin decorating contest, and I was really struck by this one. A tribute to Illuminations. When I was watching, I didn't realize that the view from Villa del Lago at Coronado Springs would be my last glimpse of Illuminations. Epcot Imagineers are building a bigger and better show, but in the meantime, they put in a temporary show with jet skis and kites. You know, I know it's kind of weird, but I always enjoyed sitting back and watching the crew set up for the show. Did you know that the show is controlled from the top of the Mayan temple in the Mexico Pavilion? Yep, that's right up that little window up top. Hey, now that they're not using it for the show anymore, maybe it will actually edge out that room in the Imagination Pavilion as my dream studio. Come on, we gotta have dreams. Well, anyway, what made Illuminations unique was a combination of fireworks, water fountains, searchlight, lasers, all of them based on barges. There were fireworks barges, mortar tube barges, the Inferno barge, and of course the world-famous Earth Globe. In addition to fireworks and flames, the Earth Globe contained a video system with over 15,000 LED clusters that somehow didn't burn up during the show. Beats me how it worked, but it was great. But just like the numbered torches that once surrounded the World Showcase Lagoon, the Earth Globe is gone. And I mean real gone. Yeah, I wonder if you can buy one of those torches off the interweb. Wouldn't it make a great addition to my studio? Oh, by the way, did you know there were 19 of those torches, each representing one of the 19 centuries of the Common Era, or AD? That's also why the Earth Globe, when it opens up, reveals the Unity torch to represent the 20th century. Anyway, Illuminations became a thing on September 22nd, 1999, and since it was 1999, it was called Illuminations 2000 Reflections of Earth. But no matter what it was called, guests loved it. And not just guests. It won the Amusements Today Golden Ticket Award for Best Night Production Show for 11 straight years. There were about 300 pictures that appeared on the Earth Globe, and most of those photos actually came from National Geographic magazine. Near the end of the show, the Earth Globe opens up to reveal that final torch, which shoots up 40 feet in the air. And even though at the very end of the show the lagoon's torches stay lit, the Earth Globe's Unity torch is extinguished. In 2008, a shortened show replaced Reflections so that the Earth Globe could get a facelift. And although all the LEDs were replaced, the actual video didn't change at all. During holiday seasons, 2 additional fireworks barges are given to the show in a special seasonal look to the fireworks. Costing $25,000 each time it plays, for the first 4 years, the show was sponsored by General Electric, a sponsor for several popular Disney attractions on both coasts, ever since the New York World's Fair. After a year without a sponsor, Siemens announced they'd take on the job, and they continued until 2017 when they ended sponsorship on both Illuminations and Spaceship Earth. They also ended their 12-year sponsorship of Disneyland's Small World. For the next 2 years, Illuminations continued without sponsorship, with Disney picking up the entire tab. And so, in September of 2019, missing no opportunity for merchandising, Disney announced the Illuminations Farewell Tour.
T-shirts available in most Disney retail outlets. And don't forget to pick up your Illuminations soundtrack at your local distributor.
They used to say that you could see the show best from anywhere along the World Showcase Lagoon. They didn't know the half of it. I think guests are really expecting much from the interim show, Epcot Forever. As much as everybody loved Illuminations, this new show they're working on, well, it better be great, because they really can't bring Illuminations back. Well, Emmy's on her way upstairs to check on your likes and comments. I hope you've enjoyed this video too and choose to give it a big thumbs up. That way I've proven that I'm worth every penny that YouTube is paying me. Well, which is none. So if you really like to help a poor YouTuber create better content and more of it, why don't you consider joining by subscribing to Patreon and becoming a patron of this page. All you gotta do is go to Patreon/AsBobSeesIt. And I really thank those who've already done that. If you've enjoyed this type of video, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? It's free, you just press the red subscribe button below. And remember, if you do subscribe, don't forget to click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.